Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Did you answer the Google quiz?
Next time.
Shaa Allah. And revelation of Surah Al-Baqarah in the context of Surah timeline. It is a Madani Surah and most of it was revealed in its early period. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 years, like sacred dawa and open dawa, opposition, increasing persecution of Muslims, extreme persecution. Then first year, migration to Medina. After these 10 years are hijrah 10 years. So in the first it was Al-Fatiha and Baqarah, and second, third, fourth, right? First is Al-Fatiha Al-Baqarah, and second, third, and fourth, Muttaqin, Kafirin, Munafiqin, and Da'watul Qur'an. And the last one, fifth, that is Adam alayhi salam, first one to be guided, first one. When you open the Mus'haf, you see pairs of pages 2 and 3, 4, and 5. We are studying these 5 pages in course 2 along with grammar. So this is grammar 1D, and 5 pages, like all the pointers and phrases. Inshallah, later on we will be learning. So praise for Allah, dua for guidance, and guidance for muttaqin. We have done these 3. Praise, praise for Allah, dua for guidance, guidance for muttaqin, and this one is attributes of muttaqin. Introduction. We have done, alhamdulillah. So fourth pointer, attributes of muttaqin. Fourth pointers, attributes of muttaqin. Link with previous verses. Quran is a book of guidance for muttaqin. Now, attributes of these muttaqin are given. Quran is a guidance for muttaqin. So, what are the attributes of muttaqin? Like how you are gonna judge about that these are muttaqin? How you will recognize them? So, these are the attributes. If you look these attributes in someone, so it means that he is one of muttaqin. He is a muttaqi person. Attributes of muttaqin. So, alladhina yu'minuna bil ghayb. These are 5 mentioned below. And now let's start. Alladhina yu'minuna bil ghayb wa yuqimuna as-salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfiqun. Yes, you read yourself. Recite.
الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك.
والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك
وما أنزل من قبلك.
ما أنزل من قبلك
وبالآخرة هم يوقنون.
وبالآخرة هم يوقنون.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم.
وأولئك هم المفلحون.
أولئك هم المفلحون.
So these are the 5 attributes. They believe in the unseen. They believe in the unseen. Establish prayer. Establish prayer. Spend in the path of Allah. Spend in the path of Allah. Believe in the books and believe in the hereafter. So first is believe in the unseen, establish prayer, spend in the path of Allah, believe in the books, and believe in the hereafter. There are two main challenges to learn the Quran, vocab and grammar. Pointers and phrases help you learn vocabulary, and TPI helps you learn the grammar in parts B. WFW and PFP, translation and explanation. So you remember WFW means word for word, and PFP phrase for phrase. Phrase for phrase. You may see around 3 phrases per line. For learning the 3 new words, phrases are shown in shadows. It's easier to remember the meaning of new words using phrases. Alladina, those who. Alladina, those who. Yu'minuna, believe. Say after me. Alladina, those who.
Alladina, those who.
Yu'minuna, believe.
Yu'minuna, believe.
Bil ghaibi, in the unseen.
Bil ghaibi, in the unseen.
Wa yuqimuna as-salata, and establish. Wa yuqimuna, and establish as-salata, the prayer.
Yuqimuna, and establish salata, the prayer.
Wa mimma, and out of what? Wa mimma, and out of what?
Mimma, and out of what?
Razaqnahum, we have provided for them. We have provided for them.
Razaqnahum, we have provided for them.
We have provided for them.
Razaqnahum, we have provided for them.
Yunfiqun, they spend.
Yunfiquna, they spend.
الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. So الذين, those who, يؤمنون, believe, بالغيب, the unseen, ويقيمون الصلاة, and establish the prayer. So these are like, this is first phrase, this is second phrase, and this is the third one. So these are phrases like 3 phrases per line. Wa mimma, wa means and, min means out of, ma means what. So wa mimma, and out of what? Say wa mimma, and out of what?
What?
Razaqnahum, for them we have provided. Razaqnahum, for them we have provided.
We have provided for them.
Yunfiqun means they spend. Yunfiqun, they spend. So we don't know a lot of things. Our 5 senses are too limited to know absolute truth. Belief in the unseen is the first attribute of the believers. Because you cannot see. No. Believe in Al-Ghaib means they believe in Allah, His angels, His books, His messengers, the hereafter, including paradise, fire, meeting with Allah, etc. in the faith. Bil ghaibi, in the unseen. Second thing is establishing prayer helps in developing taqwa and strengthening the belief in ghaib, the unseen. Wa yuqimuna as-salata. Yes. And sometimes you see some Muslims, including some leaders, who don't pray regularly, yet give word interpretations of the Quranic verses. You can see the problems here. To receive guidance, one has to pray. To receive guidance, one has to pray. Yunfiqun, third thing is they give zakah and they spend other than zakah. I mean, spend on themselves, their parents, their children, their wives, etc. And also give charity to the poor and in different Islamic causes, which include humanitarian causes. Path to guidance go through the pocket. They feel that it is all Allah's gift, and therefore they spend. Therefore they spend. Alim. Now, mashallah, we have done one ayah. So now you have to give the answer. Translate. Yuminuna bil ghaib. You all believe in the unseen. Yuminuna bil ghaib. You believe in the unseen. B. He believed in the unseen. C. They believe in unseen. And D. They believed in the unseen. Yes. Which one you gonna pick and choose?
Gonna be D or C.
C or D?
Yes, C or D.
No, you have to choose one.
Or they believe in on C.
C? MashaAllah.
They believe in.
Okay, razaqnahum. Razaqnahum means A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? We have provided for them. They provided for them. They have provided for them. They will provide for them. Which one is the correct one?
A.
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 Well,
A for apple.
yeah, they spend in good work. I mean, spend on themselves only, give zakah, give charity to the poor, and none of these. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? They spend in good work.
They spend in good work.
Yes.
Zakah, give charity to the poor people. Okay, B or C?
One.
One.
Yes, one.
Give zakah or give give charity to the poor. That is.
There are many more. 1, 2, 3.
Spend on themselves. Give zakah.
الذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون. والذين, and those who يؤمنون believe. Say after me continuously. والذين, and those who
يؤمنون believe.
بما, in what? أنزل إليك.
أنزل إليك.
Send down to you. Send down to you.
Send down to you.
Yes. So والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك. أنزل إليك is sent down to you. Wama and what? Wama and what? Unzila is sent down. Unzila is sent down. Min qabli, before you. Min qabli, before you.
Before you.
Wabil akhirati, and in the hereafter. Wabil akhirati,
and in the hereafter.
Hereafter. Hum yuqinun, they firmly believe.
Who yuqinun, they firmly believe.
They firmly believe. Yes.
Firmly believe.
So وَالَّذِينَ, and those who يُؤْمِنُونَ believe bima, in what unzila ilayka is sent down to you, wama, and what unzila is sent down min qablik, before you. Qablik means, qabl means before, qabl means before, and ka means you. Qabl means before, and ka means yes.
That you.
Ka means you. So qablika means before you.
Before you.
Wa bil akhirah. Wa means and. B means in and of. B means in and sometime.
Be in. Mm-hmm.
Of.
In for of.
Yes. Akhirati means the hereafter. Akhirati, the hereafter.
Hereafter.
Yes. Yaqeen means firm faith. Yaqeen means firm faith. Yuqinun, they firmly believe. They have no doubt in it. They have no doubt in it. So, bima unzila ilayka. They believe in the Quran and Sunnah. They believe in the Quran and Sunnah. Wama unzila min qablik. Wama. They believe in Torah, Injil, etc. This verse closes the door of all the false prophets and those who follow them, such as Qadianis, Ahmadis, etc. Because Allah did not say what is revealed after you, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Because there is no prophet after the Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Now,
so this verse closes the doors of all the false prophets and the followers of them. A strong faith in Akhirah is a must to establish Salah, to stand in the path of Allah, etc. Okay, now min qablik, translate min qablik. Hurry up. Which one is the right one? A, B, C, B.
C. Before.
Oh, mashallah. Okay, the attributes of muttaqeen are believe in the unseen, stand in the path of Allah, establish the prayer, believe in the hereafter. How many are there? You can choose more than one. Yes. One, two, three.
C. B and C.
Just B and C?
Yes.
One more attempt. One more chance you have.
Okay. A, B.
A, B, and
D.
Let me show you. These are the all. Yu'minuna bil ghaib, believe in the unseen. Yuqimuna salah, establish prayer. Yutuna zakah, spend in the path of Allah. And wabil akhirati hum yuqinun, believe in the hereafter.
So this is everything. A, B, C.
All four. Last ayah. And read after me. أولئك على هدى من ربهم.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم.
وأولئك هم المفلحون.
وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Ulaika means those. Ulaika, those. Ala hudan min rabbihim. Ala are upon guidance. Ala hudan are upon guidance. Min rabbihim, from their Lord. min rabbihim, from their Lord. وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. Yes, وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. And it is those who, ulaika, it is those who, whom. Al-Muflihun are the successful, are the successful. Al-Muflihun are the successful. So, ulaika, say those.
Ulaika those.
Ala hudam min rabbihim, are upon guidance from their Lord.
Upon guidance from their Lord.
وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. And it is those who. And it is those who.
And it those who
Are the successful. Are the successful.
Are the successful.
Yes. So from their Rabb, guidance is the most important gift from Allah. Therefore, we need to always beg for it. Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. So they will be successful in this world and in the hereafter. The more one is stronger in the 5 attributes, the more guidance he will get and the higher he will reach in terms of success.
No.
Translate min rabbihim, from your Rabb, and from my Rabb, from our Rabb, from their Rabb. Yes, which one is the right one? You have to choose one. Quickly. A, B, C, D.
D.
That is D, from their Rabb. MashaAllah. Yes. Guidance is a valuable gift from Allah, source of success, a light in darkness of evil. They all are correct. Yes. Choose one. Or 2 or 3 or all. Yes, which one are you going to choose? Yes. Just on third count, you have to give me the answer. A. All are correct. Answer is D. Yes. Guidance is a valuable gift from Allah, and guidance is also a source of success, and along with a light in darkness of evils. Lesson, dua and plan. Lesson, dua and plan. So, attributes of muttaqin alladhina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna as-salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfiqun. So they believe in the unseen, establish prayer, stand in the path of Allah. And second, وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. Believe in the books, believe in the hereafter. أُولَٰئِكَ عَلَىٰ هُدًى مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. The above 5 things lead to guidance and success. So, oh Allah, help us develop the required habits. Say, Rabbi ja'alni muqim as-salati wa min zurriyyati Rabbana wa taqabbal du'a. A simple plan. Inshallah, I'll make a plan to spend in the path of Allah regularly. Simple, like you have to make a plan. So this is a plan, like I'll make a plan to spend in the path of Allah regularly. And now we just gonna learn Asma and Af'al in the verses. So is as-salat is the ism, and salawat is plural. Salawat is plural. Means salat means prayer and salawat means prayers. Muflihun is the ism, muflihun, and muflihun, muflihin. Yes. Now, razaqnahum, the low level, the past. Razaqnahum, razaqa, yarzuqu, urzuq. Razaqa, yarzuqu, urzuq.
Rajahu, yarjuhu, urjuh.
Raziq,
Rajiq,
arzuq,
mashuf,
rizq.
rich.
So, 4 patterns, you remember? Fataha, Nasara, Daraba, Samia. 4 patterns are there. So, salawat, the plural of salat, which one is? A, B, C, D.
Salat, B.
You have to say a plural. Salat is a wahid, a singular.
Salatu A.
Oh, good, mashallah. 3 noun keys of razaqa are noun keys. I mean, every word should be a noun. Razaqa yarzuq urzuq, raziq razaq rizq, raziq marzuq rizq, and yarzuq marzuq raziq. A, B, C, D. Yes. Which one is the correct?
D.
D. One more time, you can just think about it.
Okay. Okay. A.
3 noun keys, not verbs. Everyone should be a noun. Ism, not fi'l.
B.
This is C. Raziq, marzuq, rizq.
Okay. C.
Okay, we can say yes. Okay, fi'l mudari of razaqu. 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 Yes.
Rajahu, tajahu, yarjuhun. D.
Yes, perfect. That's very good. Interesting. That's interesting. Okay, the lesson is finished, alhamdulillah. So may Allah help us recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Amin ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.